It's time you got to know TMAS, the Textile Machinery Association of Sweden. We're a strong collection of passionate, innovative and highly dedicated companies. Together we deliver effective, top-quality technology systems and solutions to textile-producing customers around the world. Yet ultimately, we are people tightly woven together and driven by our love for textile and our dedication to providing the most creative machinery solutions for the global textile industry. Get to know us better, and you will get to know how people with their hearts in textile and their minds on machinery can make a real difference to the wonderful world of textiles. Eltex of Sweden. Eltex is the world leader in electronic yarn break sensors and yarn tension monitors. Our knowledge and technical competence ensure sensors of the highest performance and quality. ACG Nistrim. ACG Nistrim play a unique role between leading equipment manufacturers and customers in developing textile products. Our cutting-edge solutions include sewing, embroidery, garment printing, and product life management. Baldwin Technology is a leading manufacturer and supplier of innovative process automation equipment with a focus on improving the economic and environmental efficiency of production processes. ES Automatex Solution. We provide automated machines for the home textile industry. Our complete range of small and full-scale production offerings enable us to be totally flexible in providing the best possible solutions. Eaton Systems. Eaton Systems offer superior handling systems consisting of individually addressable product carriers. We focus on eliminating manual transportation and minimizing handling, thereby adding real value for customers' offerings. IRO are the market leader in the development and production of yarn feeding equipment. We utilize the most advanced technology, combining this with our unique expertise to deliver superior, cost-effective products. ACG Schinner Automatic. We are a global force within fully automated production lines for quilts, pillows and bed sets. Our wide range of specialized, tailor-made machinery are built to enable the most efficient, simplified production processes for customers. Spygear of Sweden. Spygear offers the most complete line of collarette cutting machines, strip cutters and bias equipment. Our innovative machines are world-renowned for their ability to produce the highest quality trim at top speeds. Texo is one of the world's leading manufacturers of weaving looms for the production of paper machine clothing and industrial technical fabrics. To date, we stand behind more than 2/3 of the looms for the paper industry. Welcome to TMAS, a collection of the best in Swedish textile technology, automation, processes and people. We're gathered around one focus point, and that's you, our customers around the world. TMAS, hearts in textile, minds on machinery.